Hi, little bean. Hi. How you doing? She wants to come see me.
Here, of course, got knocked me right into the truck.
Come here, Lily. Let me show you. Let me show.
Are you on?
Yeah. Come here.
Go on.
Come see Dad.
Hi.
Lily says hi from our couches. Alright. Go take her out to the potty.
So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing on. So come on.
Good morning, everybody. This is Eric from the Fish Tales, and I am going to tell you a little bit today about the experience that I had with my SERWALL outdoor furniture. So it's essentially a similar type of product to like a Polywood, and we actually bought a Polywood furniture system for our lot in Alabama, so I'm very familiar with that product and how it goes together. We also bought another product through Costco. I'm trying to remember what the brand was, but they're an Adirondack chair that you can get through Costco. They're all very similar in terms of the material quality, the kind of heavy duty, basically HDPE plastic is what it is. So the SERWALL system, or SERWALL furniture, the product itself is made in China, like probably a lot of these are. Maybe not Polywood, but most all others probably are. I believe the ones that we got from Costco were actually a Canadian company. Again, though, whether they source their materials and manufacture their materials in Canada, who knows. However, so this system, the company I believe is out of New York City or New York, somewhere in there. And all the hardware is stainless steel. It's all very good quality. It was all very well labeled. The manufacturing or the instructions were easy to follow. There was one image where they wanted you to flip it over to put stuff from the bottom, and that was a little hard to understand the way the drawing was set up, but after I did one, it was really easy. I mean, there's only so many parts. The assembly process is fairly simple. The backs are essentially already put together when you get them. Then you put the arms on, the legs on. I mean, really not bad at all. The quality of the cushions are actually really, really good. They came with the Scotchgard type material on them. I mean, Lily was sitting here, you know, panting because it was kind of hot the day that we got these first put together, and she was sitting on the couch and panting, and like her drool was dripping onto the cushions, and it was beating up on top of the cushions. So pretty impressive. Now we've already re-Scotchgarded them again just because that's kind of how I roll. The base cushions tie on to the couch. They're not going to go anywhere. And we've already had a few pretty strong windstorms, and even though these aren't tied on in any way, they didn't go anywhere. Now whether we have one of those 75 mile an hour gust sort of windstorms and they don't move at all, that is, up for debate. I guess we'll find out. But I'm very impressed by the overall quality and the weight of the furniture. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. So all this HDPE furniture has, I believe, like a 10-year warranty. I don't see any reason to believe that they're not going to last a lot longer than that. Cleaning's really easy because you could just power wash the whole things if you wanted to. There's nothing that could rust. Like I say, all stainless steel hardware. And the build process was pretty simple. I actually took some footage as I was putting them together, and I'm going to be kind of putting it over the top of this video as I'm talking. And been real happy with the quality and the look. And we even bought some pretty cool kind of patriotic pillows to go onto this too, since we got like the blue frame khaki cushion. Yeah, so I was surprised a little bit by the color of the blue. It It actually looks fairly close, but I guess I was expecting it to be just a tiny bit darker. But I'm pretty happy with the overall look and the fit and finish. It's got a bit of a texture, like a wood grain texture on it, which you couldn't really see online, but it is definitely there. These parts are really nice and smooth, but like on this tabletop that I'm in front of here, there's a little bit of a texture, and similar kind of texture on the arms of some of these Adirondacks. Yeah, overall very good. Now, one thing that I did want to tell you about is when we ordered the set, we got a kit where we had one of these long couches, 2 Adirondack chairs, which are over here so you can't see them on the video, and then a little table, basically kind of like a sitting table. And then I ordered another love seat to go with the set, so I'd have 2 love seats and 2 Adirondacks to go into this 12 by 14 gazebo that I have. And something that happened was when we ordered one of these larger love seats came with 2 sets of left legs. So I did not have a full set to put the whole piece together. So I contacted SERWALL, and took me a couple times of contacting them to actually get through to somebody. When I did actually get through to somebody, they were pretty prompt at responding. Now, they didn't fully understand what I was asking for. I think the person that they had in the warehouse wasn't very good at understanding what I was trying to tell them. And so I did end up talking to one of their managers, and he got me totally squared away. They put the order in for the replacement parts, and they said that it would take about 3 weeks, and it was about 3 weeks to get the new parts. They came in a separate box, and then I put it right together. So it was all good. The experience overall with their customer service was pretty good, and in the end I did get my full furniture set, and the price was so reasonable. I mean, the love seat by itself right now on Amazon is selling for $239. The other pieces, which was the other kit that came with the 2 Adirondacks, the love seat, and the table, or what they call their SERWALL 4-piece HDPE outdoor furniture set. See what it says here. So that set right now is selling for $569. And that's with the blue frame and the khaki. Now, they do have a black with gray. That's $631. The black frame with the khaki is $536. The blue frame with a gray seat is $569. Gray and gray. Anyway, you get the idea. They kind of vary in price. And I really liked the idea of the khaki, or of the blue. I was a little worried the khaki would be too light, like white almost, because it almost looks white in the pictures. But as you can see, it's not white. It's like a kind of a desert tan. I mean, which is perfect around here, because these things are going to get dusty from the dust around here, and they won't really look much different. But of course, they are a sunbrella type fabric, so they should stay good for a long time. These do come with zippers on the bottom, so you can unzip them and probably wash the covers, although with the liner material is also kind of water resistant material that's in there, so it's not this, but the actual stuffing is like water resistant, so it's not going to degrade over time. It's not like, feathers or something that's going to have trouble over time. But yeah, overall very, very impressed with it. I would definitely buy it again. So if we ever buy another RV lot or have a house again and we decide to leave this here for whatever reason, I would definitely buy it again. Buying it over a Polywood, considering that just a single Polywood couch costs more than this whole kit, I would definitely buy it before I'd buy a Polywood again. Nothing wrong with Polywood, it's just very expensive. So and I mean, the weight capacity, I believe the weight capacity on these love seats is like 500 pounds, which is way more than we need. It's either 500 or 600 pounds. It's a lot. They've actually got aluminum braces on the long pieces, that in addition to all of the extra material pieces to keep it sturdy. And the same goes with the small Adirondack chairs. They're extremely sturdy. Now these are considered an Adirondack style couch. So instead of a totally flat butt piece, it's slightly tilted, and it's very slightly. I don't know if you can see on this video. Probably not, but it's very slightly seated back. So it is a comfortable seat, but it is not a super deep seat, so it's really hard to get out of, which is very much appreciated by our older friends that live around here. So anyway, just wanted to give you that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. FYI, if you see this video here in the next day or so, we are going to be going to the Tampa RV Super Show. So the Super Show, not the Fall Tampa Show, which is a regional show. We're going to be going to the Tampa Super Show, which is January 14th through the 18th or something like that. And we're going to be there numerous days. I do have to work that week, so we'll probably be going in the afternoon time. And we'll be kind of there on behalf or with Axiom, because we're going to be buying a new Axiom, and we're going to kind of help them promote their product. And I'm happy to do it because I'm in love with their product. I think their trailers are amazing, our fifth wheels. And I'm really, really looking forward to getting ours. We may have it before the Tampa show. If we do, it'll be just days before, or it might be right after. I'm not really exactly sure what the ETA is, but it's going to be very, very soon. So keep an eye on our socials. Instagram's probably the fastest way to get responses or comments from us, or see videos, because I can put those up almost instantly from my phone. But feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on the YouTube videos as well. And if you have any thoughts or comments about the SERWALL furniture, please comment below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.